Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to stream OBS to Discord with sounds. Alright, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the OBS, then you want to go to settings, then you want to go to audio, then you want to scroll down till you find here advanced settings monitoring device. Then you want to choose any speakers or any headset that you are not using right now. So let's say that I have here this one, for example, speakers PD 200X podcast microphone. I'm going to click on it, then click on apply. Then I will go and click on OK. And now what you should do is to click on this plus icon beside the this trash icon in the sources section. You just have to click on this add source. Then you want to go and click on application audio capture. Then what you should do right now is to click on create new, then click on OK. Then you want to go and choose here the window. And now here I have the Discord running in the background. So you just have to click on Discord right here. And it shows you here discord.exe. You just have to click on it, then click on OK. And now here, as you can see, it will be appearing just like so. Now you want to go and click on these three vertical dots beside the application audio capture. Then you want to go and click on advanced audio properties. Then you want to go here to audio monitoring and choose the output that you have actually chosen, or choose monitor and output just like so. Then click on close. And now once you right click on anywhere right here and click on preview, click on open preview projector, then click window. Here it shows you exactly what will you record and what will you capture. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.